How to buy YEPE token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going to buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the tokenization from here, open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, click on it, and here save how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now that's select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch to the platform here, as you know, our customer, because most of the issues came from the slip page, and after that you can go and buy the token without any issue. So this is how to buy YEPE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.